Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Hergivenhair right here. This is what the packaging looks like, and the hair comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair. It comes with an elastic strap, elastic band, and also hair pin or clip you call them, and hair comb as well in case you need them. And that's what the hair looks like. It has 3 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band as well as elastic strap inside the hair. And the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. So I showed you guys how I wash the hair. You might not need to do that, but I just decided to do it anyway. I wash the hair with Tresemme shampoo and conditioner as well, and as you can tell, throughout the washing of the hair there was no tangling, no shedding whatsoever. The hair was really soft and silky to touch, and I also like the fact that everything has been done straight from the box for you guys. And yeah, another thing I like about this hair that I'm going to show you guys later is the quality of the hair, but I'll give you the details about that later on. But if you don't already know Hergivenhair, it's a wig brand that sells basically wigs that mimics natural hair. Look at the hairline, guys. I am a fan. So yeah, I cut the extra lace at the back of the hair and I applied the wig on my head. I just checked out if the hair was, exactly my size and all, and I'm quite happy with the way it fits. It was snug fit, and I'm wearing the medium cap size. And I also pat the hair for you guys to see what the hair looks like before applying anything on the hair at all. So I clip the hair into 2 sections, then lift up the lace at the front and applied my glue. Please bear in mind that you can decide to wear this hair with the elastic band or elastic strap inside the wig cap, but because I really love the quality of the hair even from washing it, so I thought this hair is gonna stay with me for a long time. So I decided to apply, what's it called, glue on the hair. So also I applied glue because I wanted to wear this hair for a long time to be able to share my thoughts with you guys while I am doing this voiceover. Yeah, so I quite like the hair a lot, guys. Look at that. Even while I was parting the hair, there was no tangling, no shedding whatsoever. The hair is really full, and at the same time it's very lightweight on the head. I quite like the hairline really, because most of the things has been done straight from the box, so you don't need to do anything, guys. I didn't do anything at all, but just because I wanted to wear it for a long time, that was why I decided to have glue. But you can wear it with the elastic band and style it anyhow, guys, anyhow, just like your own natural hair. Look at that. Look at that. I really love this hair a lot. It's so soft, and it doesn't have any nasty smell to it whatsoever. And the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, so if you're the type that like baby hair, then you definitely like this hair as well. I really like the fact that the quality of their hair is really good. I really like that a lot. Like seriously, it felt so much like my natural hair but longer. Exactly the way I felt about this. Esther was like, your hair, is this your hair? Did you grow your hair? I'm like, no, I didn't grow my hair all night. This is a wig. Like everyone kept asking, wow, what happened to your hair? What happened to your hair? How did you, it's not my hair. It's not my hair. I just kept telling everyone it's not my hair. I like the fact that a lot of people thought like it was my hair. That's how convincing this wig looks, like seriously. And a lot of you guys were commenting on my Instagram like, give us the details of this hair. And here it is, guys. This is the gist, this is the tea about the hair that I was wearing on my Instagram. Even on my skincare routine, I wore it and people were like, oh my days, your hair, your hair, your hair. Right, the hair is from Hergivenhair. I am trying this brand for the first time and I'm quite impressed. Like, I am impressed with the quality of the hair and the fact that the hair does not tangle, shed or mat at all. I mean, it's so easy to maintain. And would you have believed that I didn't had any products on the hair at the beginning of the video? Nothing whatsoever. I just decided to add the She Moisture curly space on it at the end of it. So stay tuned for the review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Hergivenhair right here. This hair is actually a 13x6 lace wig, and I'm going to share the details about the hair with you right away. I showed you guys how I wash the hair and how I style the hair. Bear in mind that you can style the hair anyhow you like, and I am quite impressed with one thing about this hair, which is the quality of the hair, guys. The quality of the hair is really good. If you're the type that like natural hair and you think, well, you just want a versatile style to your own hair, but your hair is not as long as this hair, so you just want a versatile hairstyle, then I would definitely recommend this hair. The hair is really soft. As you can tell, while I was washing the hair earlier, there was no tangling, there was no shedding, there was no matting whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. I'm quite impressed about the hair, and especially the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so there's nothing to worry about when it comes to customization of the hair. You don't have to, you know, do much with this hair because it comes with an elastic band as well, which makes, you know, it's easy for you to be able to install the hair without having to go for glue or gel. But because I really like this hair, I like the texture of the hair, I like the feel of the hair, so I decided to go for glue because I will be wearing the hair for a while because I like the way it feels. It's just like your hair but longer, in my opinion. It's just like my hair but longer, in my opinion. I really like the quality of the hair and how soft the hair is. As you can tell, the hair just go through my hand without any shedding or tangling. Look at that, guys. Very soft and has a natural feel to it. I really like the hair a lot. I'm a huge fan of natural hair feel, especially when it comes to curly hair. You guys already know that I really like curly hair a lot. I'm not quite sure about this style that I went for, but I'm just gonna change this. I would be really happy, like, if my natural hair like looks like this and have this healthy feel to it. I would really love it. The hair is really soft, very healthy, and I quite like it. Really, I like it. It's very bouncy as well. If you don't really know me, or you don't know how long my hair is, and if you see me on the street with this hair, you definitely think that this is my natural hair because the hair felt so real, as you can tell. Even though I'm not a huge fan of baby hair, but I think with baby hair it makes the hair looks even more nice and natural, in my opinion. And yeah, I quite like that about the hair. And I also like the fact that I can style it anyhow I like, and the hair is very easy to manipulate. Like, seriously, it feels so natural that you can manipulate it anyhow you like. As you can tell, when I push the hair to the back, it's just, you know, it was there. It's not moving, it's not budging. Look at that. It's so full, and at the same time it doesn't feel heavy on the head at all. It's so lightweight as well. The hair does not tangle at all. That for me was actually my worry and fear at the beginning of this video. I'm thinking, oh my god, is this hair gonna tangle and shit? But none of this happened at all. As you can tell, when I put my hair into the hair, you can see there is no shedding whatsoever at all. That I like a lot about the hair. So one thing that I like about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. Their shipping, it took exactly 3 days, like 3 days to get here in the UK, because, you know, the most important thing when it comes to hair is how long they take to get to you, because a lot of people, like, you know, order their hair late, and you have the guarantee that the hair will get to you in 3 days wherever you are, depending on where you're based. But for me, I am based in the UK, and the hair took 3 days to get to me, which is a thumbs up in my opinion. So another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it at all. There is no nasty smell. There was no need for me to, you know, apply hairspray or anything on the hair at all, which I really, you know, like about the hair as well. And yeah, look at that, guys. It felt so natural, and I like the fact that the hair is so versatile. Despite the fact that it's not a long hair, it's so versatile that you can style it anyhow you like, which is why I showed you few of the style that I would go for if I am wearing this hair. And also, you can decide to, you know, treat the hair just like your own natural hair, and you feel free to do it anyhow you like, depending on the look you're going for. The lace that came with this hair was so close to my skin tone that you can barely tell that this is a wig on me. Even after cutting off the lace, I really like the lace that came with the, you know, hair. And also the lace was really lightweight, so which made it even easier for me to install the hair. So there was no bulkiness. You know, some lace wig have this kind of stiff hard lace, but in this case this lace is really soft, so there was no need for me to, you know, like do extra or apply powder or apply anything on the lace of the wig at all, apart from my cap, which is really quite good, which is part of the things that I like about the hair. And the hair is really full. If you like, you can wear it like big hair don't care, or if you like, you can wet the hair and manipulate it and make it look and give it that curly look if you like. So but for me, I like this hair like big hair don't care. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so lightweight, despite the fact that it's full. The hairline looks so natural. The hairline has been pre-plucked to perfection in my opinion. I really like how they plug that hairline. It makes it even look more natural. You'd have thought that this was actually my real hair if you see me. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this, but in real life the hair looks so natural on me. I hope the camera is doing justice to this, because what I'm seeing in the viewfinder is not close to what is happening in real life. It's so natural. It felt amazing, like honestly. I thought I was filming. I've actually changed the style of the hair as well. I just put the rubber band at the middle or center of my hair, and this is what I got. So I really like this about the hair. It's so versatile. You can style it anyhow you like, just like your own natural hair. This hair makes me feel like this is my real hair. Like I feel so comfortable with it that I could actually style it the way that would suit my face. So yeah, would I recommend this hair? Absolutely. You're getting what you're paying for, guys. If anything at all, the quality of the hair is really good. Like hands down, one of my favorite curly hair so far. Like I just feel comfortable with the hair. Look at that. I feel comfortable with the hair. It's so lightweight. I didn't even feel that I'm wearing anything, and at the same time it's so full. Like, is it just me, or can you guys feel what I'm feeling? Like seriously. If you don't already know Hergivenhair, they are a hair company that sells wigs that looks or mimic natural hair, if that makes sense. They sell all types of hair on their website, especially if you're the type that you like your natural hair and it's not as long as this, or if you like your natural hair but you want a protective styles that looks so close to your own natural hair. So yeah, they have all types of natural hair looking wig on their website. They have natural hair but it's not full. They also have clipping as well, so this natural hairstyles with clips in on them. So if your natural hair is not as long as you want them, or is not as full as you want them, so you can go to their website, check out their clippings, and you know, attach them to your hair just to give it, you know, more volume or more length depending on the look you're going for. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.